So, Bennett, what do you think members should expect in the Trading Experts 90-day free trial?
So the first thing you should expect is once you sign up, you'll get a welcome email from us, from Trading Experts, giving you the first 2 steps. First step is to download GroupMe. Second step is to join the group. And then from there, you will have the PDF of step 1, with the first 10 lessons you're going to go through. Your main goal as you read through each of these tasks or each of these lessons is to complete the task at the end of each lesson by posting your answers in that Getting Started chat. Everyone in there is just like yourself as a new trader. They're also learning alongside as you. And we have 2 mentors in there, Heaven and Tom, that will help you with any questions you have. And if you answer anything incorrectly, they will come in and help show you why it was incorrect. Myself and Shik are also in there as well. If you need to ask any questions, we're always there and we're available. But the main goal is to complete at least 1 to 2 lessons a day. We've worked over the years to make these lessons as easy and concise as possible. The average lesson you can read in about 5 minutes. The task will take you about 5 to 10 minutes as well. So if you can set aside 5 to 10 minutes a day, you complete 1 lesson over the next 90 days. We will have taught you 90 lessons that we learned the hard way doing it the opposite. By going into the market and making these mistakes that cost us money, where you have the opportunity to learn from our mistakes, learn them firsthand of what to avoid, what works well, and all of this costing you nothing throughout the process. So expect that first email. Make sure you have GroupMe downloaded. Make sure you have the Trading Experts app that's on the App Store also download on your phone. And keep an eye out for that first email.